Computer science.
Good morning, traders. Anthony Cordelli here, and welcome to Ninja Trader Live. Here we are, the day before the Fed meeting on this Tuesday morning, December 9th. Joining me in studio, senior economist Tracy Shukart. Good morning, Shai.
Good morning, all.
Macro strategist Craig Shapiro. Good morning, Craig.
Good morning.
And on the big screen, he doesn't have his IU shirt on today. It's probably tucked somewhere under his desk, or it could be framed at this point. We're not really sure. We don't know. We can't see outside of that square box, but we know it's somewhere close. My man, senior market strategist Jimmy Case Cagnina. Good morning, Jimmy.
Good morning, everybody. It's another glorious day on the island, and Adele, you are right. I have gear lying all over the place from Indiana. I figure I got to get something out of this out-of-state tuition I was paying.
That's right, Jimmy. You should. Well, here we are, day before the Fed meeting, where all the bold predictions begin and all of the overreactions are set for tomorrow. And who knows? Who knows? Maybe, just maybe, we do get something a little bit outside the box. Who knows? We're expecting this hawkish cut. I also saw somebody saying, "Oh, we're going to get 50 basis point."
No.
That's like, I was like, "Oh, time out." Yeah, I don't think that's going to happen. But you never know. You never know. You doubt it, but you kind of don't. You kind of do know.
That's not going to happen.
And so here we are. Equities yesterday pulled back a little bit. Shai talked about it with me this morning. And Craig was messaging me. Obviously the market doesn't like the bond pullback here a little bit. Eventually, at some point, does it start hitting the metals as well? We'll see, right? I mean, tomorrow is going to be a big day because of the bond market. I really do think that's it. If the bond market starts to escalate lower, ripple effects.
Absolutely.
Don't say we didn't tell you. I mean, we don't know exactly what it'll be like, but, end of the year, if you're teetering, holding on to a long position in equities and gold, and all of a sudden the bond market starts taking off to the downside, that's a hard position to hold on to. But if the bonds rally, then it's like, well, you know what?
We're good.
Start making dough, man. To get ready, make a cookie dough. It's Christmas time, so we'll see. Anyway, a lot to talk about. Until then, Shai, the news.
Right, so China will get NVIDIA H200 chips, but not without paying Washington first. So the U.S. is going to allow NVIDIA to sell its H200 processors, its second best artificial intelligence chips, to China, and they will be charged a 25% fee on such sales. Donald Trump had said on Monday in a post. Of course, we had NVIDIA shares rising after hours after Trump made the announcement. Now, I just want to put a caveat here, because everybody's getting excited about this and what this means for AMD and Intel as well. Beijing has said that they want to limit access to NVIDIA's 200 chips, despite what Trump's decision is. And they have been pushing back. If you remember earlier this year, we had in August and September, they made announcements that they were asking domestic firms to pull back their usage of those chips. So I know everybody's really excited in what this means for the stock trading off the Fed decision. The implied move in U.S. stock market on Wednesday after the Fed's decision is just shy of 1% in either direction. A swing of that magnitude would mark the biggest move in the benchmark after a Fed's rate decision since March, so keep an eye on that. Options are telling us we could have a very wild swing. We did have a U.S. small business optimism this morning at 7 a.m. That did the index did rise 0.8 0.8 points to a 3-month high of 90. Nine. The improvement in the sales expectation was the biggest contributor to overall increase in the optimism index. So net 15% of owners expect higher sales volumes in the next 3 months. We have the CFTC deepens crypto push with approval of derivatives collateral. So the CFTC, which is the Commodities Futures Trading Commission, is now going to allow Ether, Bitcoin, and dollar-pegged stablecoin USDC to be used as collateral for derivatives trades, which is a huge change.
That's a really big thing.
Right. So this